Oh, the ice bath. I love the ice bath so much. I have my own freezer at home where my wife and I do ice baths, but this will be the only or the first video that I actually do on the ice baths, because they're already incorporated into all of my events for the last couple of years, because I think they're so important. And an ice bath is not just for the mind, it's for the body. It creates a resilient, strong immune system. People who do ice baths regularly simply don't get sick in wintertime, and their body is much stronger. Think about it this way: system or your blood vessels contract because they're trying to preserve the heat, and your body goes into a 60-second or 2-minute shock, and then when you go out of there, it all goes out immediately, like poof, and that contraction and release really cleanses the system out. I don't know why I'm excited. I don't get to see the ice that much.
Make it look so easy.
The proper way that you go into an ice bath is with the following understanding. When you are stressed and your body is in some sort of ache, you are going to hyperventilate. So you're going to go like, okay, you're stressed. You don't really notice that you're doing that because you're in some sort of pain, but it's your body telling you, I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. This is not safe for me. This is not good for me. If you start breathing slowly, conscious breaths, and I know, you won't fully understand what I'm talking about until you'll be in that sort of pain. Because when you are in pain, you can't think about anything else except your pain. But if you begin breathing slowly and deeply, and this is what we as instructors, this is what we do with the first-time participants, you are actually telling your body that everything is fine. Because your body is telling you, I'm stressed out, I need to get out of here. And then your mind starts going, oh shit, I need to get out of here. I can't get out of here, let's get out of here. No, you need to think that you're building a summer house there. You're there to stay forever. And when you accept it and your intention is to doing the full minimum 2 minutes, and people like me, we do 4, 5, sometimes even 8 minutes, with the pain and with the stress. So that means that all you have to do is put that intention of staying in the water. And you will see immediately that you breathe slowly and you're telling your body that it's fine and that it's safe. And then your body will create less pain. And you won't feel it at all. Why? Because you've set that intention and you simply know, And once you know, and you have this knowingness and this belief that everything is fine and you're going to survive this, obviously, and you're going to go through it with success, then your body is not going to tell you that it's stressed any longer. And this is the beautiful thing in this workshop and in this exercise as well. Because you see people that are doing it for the first time, they have some pain. But then they're doing it the second time and the third time, and suddenly the pain goes away. Why? Now your mind has made a difference. And this is why I highly recommend for everyone to try it at least one time. In my events, we do this on the 3rd dry fasting days. So everybody will know that they've already went through the hardest part of the workshop. And at the peak, we're also doing something that is a little bit mind-bending. So it'll be just a little bit more difficult. But this is like a ritual that I would definitely recommend for everyone, everywhere. It doesn't matter where you are. You can buy 40 kilo, 50 kilo of ice, add it to an ice bath, and just go in for a couple of minutes.